Unlocking descriptions. The power of sensory details in English. Hello everyone and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of descriptive language techniques, imagery and sensory details. Our specific focus will be on understanding sensory details. These are powerful tools in English that can help you describe people, places, and things in a way that paints a vivid picture for your listeners or readers. So let's start with understanding what sensory details are. In the simplest terms, sensory details are words or phrases that appeal to our five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. They help to create rich, vivid descriptions in our language and allow the listener or reader to experience what we're describing as if they were there with us. They can be incredibly useful for making your English conversations and writing more engaging and vivid. For example, instead of saying, "I ate an apple," using sensory details you could say, "I bit into the crisp, juicy apple and its sweet tang filled my mouth." Now that we understand what sensory details are, let's talk about how you can use them in your English descriptions. You can use sensory details to describe just about anything: people, places, and things. For instance, when describing a person, you could use sensory details like, "Her laughter was like a bubbling brook," or "His eyes were as cold as ice." When describing places, sensory details might include, "The forest was a symphony of bird calls and rustling leaves," or "The air in the bakery was heavy with the sweet aroma of fresh bread." And when it comes to things, you could say something like, "The silk scarf was as soft as a cloud against my skin." Remember, the key is to tap into the five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, to create these rich, vivid descriptions. And that's it for today's lesson, everyone. We've learned about sensory details, the words and phrases that appeal to our five senses and make our English descriptions so much more vivid and engaging. Remember, whether you're describing a person, place, or thing, sensory details can help you paint a clear and compelling picture. I hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your English language skills. Keep practicing and I'll see you in our next lesson.